Laramie asked me to come down here and check out the gondolas, but I don't know about these. I don't know. Jesus Christ. We're in some death trap. Where's the seatbelts? Laramie? Laramie, where's the seatbelts?
Got mine right here.
What? No! What? No! Hey, what's the percentage that this cable snaps and sends us to the bottom of Bay Lake?
I give it a 0.2.
Those are terrible odds.
It doesn't go over Bay Lake.
Okay, well, what's the odds the cable snaps and sends us hurling down into the 4 freeway? Laramie is really hot. We need to take off our clothes. Can we take off our shirt? It's so hot. I need to take off my clothes. I need to take off my clothes.
Please don't.
No. The only way to stay cool in these death traps is to take off all your clothes.
Thank you for your patience. We are now resuming your journey and will take flight momentarily. Thank you.
I'm gonna die tonight. Rest in peace. If this video comes out tomorrow, send a letter to my loved ones. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yay! We're going up. Oh my god, it's swinging! This is the scariest thing I've ever been on.
Don't swing it.
What are you talking about? I'm not swinging it, you are. If the floor was like glass and you can look down, that would be nice. But say, look at this glass right here. You see how this is half a pane of glass. Yeah, but then they would have used half a pane of glass here. We would have fell down there to
So
our
you're saying this is
original
a pane in the glass?
Yeah. This is a pane in my glass. What do these handles do? What do these handles do? Don't. I think they do something. Oh my god. Oh.
Protected wetlands around Walt Disney World Resort travels all the way to the Everglades, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico.
What if the cable snaps and we fall into the Everglades?
Then we die, Shawn.
Then we die. Oh no. We'll be one with Nemo. There you are. Davy Jones Laka. That's where we'll end up. If we can just make it past. We did it. Not today, Satan. Look at these suckers waiting to get into the park. That's right, suckers. Oh, you feel it? It's vibrating.
Well, that's about the same size as the city of San Francisco and double the island of Manhattan.
I didn't know. Did you ever see that movie Frozen? Not the one with Anna and Elsa, but it was a horror movie where these guys got stuck on a ski lift and one of them had to jump down off the ski lift and he like fell onto the ground and he broke both of his legs. He got eaten by wolves. It's kind of like this movie. We almost crashed into that one! I feel like I'm at some weird bus terminal. Because it's like, maybe like 50% of the people stink. And it's open air. Maybe a lot less death right now. But I mean, I think this, I think those boats gave me seasickness. They gave me seasickness.
I hope they have a pouch, or I hope you have a bag.
They didn't have any bags. They didn't have any vomit bags.
If you're gonna spew in this.
Throw up outside of those grates. But we said there was no window.
It's got strainers on the window.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, we gotta think about these things, right? We gotta think about vomit inside of these things. Now, nobody's ever thought about vomit coming out of the buckets. The Skyliner. So in theory, that means like go to Epcot and then they close.
No.
And
That won't be the case later.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Correct.
We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort.
Yes.
Continuing flights to Epcot.
Right. What the f is a Riviera?
Hold on.
Pirate on the Skyliner.
Dude, you're a sky pirate! Want to make a hard turn. Oh no, brakes. Oh, come on, you want to turn. They're making a right turn! Right turn! Well then.
That's the Ratatouille show building.
Yeah? With no CM green. You're not supposed to look at that building.
Nope, my bad.
Yeah. It's invisible. Going test. Not a fart. Did you fart?
That was him.
Oh my god, Laramie farted inside the
Now
gondola.
arriving at Epcot.
Oh,
To display
that smells like meat.
Welcome.
It smells like McDonald's scrambled eggs. Come on, brick. Alright, we made a stop in Epcot and here we go back into these death traps. Now we get to do something that nobody's done before. This is film the gondolas at night.
Doors automatically open.
Oh, jeez.
When exiting the cabin,
You
please
guys can't see it,
supervise
but
children.
we're going
Collect
into
your
the
belongings
brakes.
and
Oh my god.
That was terrifying.
So, what was my thoughts about the Skyliner? The buckets, the eventual death traps that will send us all to the water in the fiery depths of hell, that we will forever drown and burn and die. What was I thinking? What did I think about the eventual coffins that we'll all end up being in eventually at one point in time? One of us, somebody out there watching this very vlog, is gonna see for themselves and they can say, hey Shawn, you know, 9 months from now, I will be in the bottom of this very lake, dead from the Skyliner. What did I think? What did I think? What did I think about the Skyliner? The very thing that I think will take a man's life. I wouldn't know this. I wouldn't know what they would call it, but I know the sound it would make, like a nice splash. 2 drops. What did I think about that? What did I think about the Skyliner? I liked it. It was actually kind of fun. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button, baby. I'm sick of it. I'm out. Hey, if you like that video, check out this video over here. Or look at this video over here. Smash that subscribe button, baby.